beautiful downtown Pensacola, Florida. My name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax, and I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of this 2020 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. Welcome aboard. We'll start at the transom of the 420 Outrage. Notice we're powered with quad Mercury 400 Verados. We're currently in the skyhook positioning, where it's holding us dead set on our GPS coordinate while we get our dock lines or fenders ready. Just a great feature of the 420. As you walk into the cockpit, you will see ample room for multiple guests, a large transom bench seat that does tuck away, a port side dive door, very functional for fishing or cruising on this particular boat. For such a big center console, everything is very easy accessible on this particular boat. With your Fisher Panda diesel generator you hear running, your Seakeeper 6 tucked away, easy access to your batteries, your Seacocks, everything you need here at your hands, and a very large bilge access. We've equipped this particular boat with a summer kitchen that has a little bit of everything. Your grill up top, refrigerator down low, your aquarium style live well, sink off to the port side, and also large fish boxes at the transom here if you're looking to use the boat as a fishing boat, with a live well off to the port side as well. So if you're looking to fish or cruise, this cockpit is completely shaded as our Sure Shade is extended up above. Or if you'd like to come forward and sit here with all of your guests under the hardtop with AC at your feet, you can do that too. So we've made our way to the helm. Triple helm seats all the way across, AC blowing right in your face. Look at the functionality of this helm though. Triple Axiom XL Raymarine displays, your vessel view, your throttles, everything at your fingertips, VHF with a command mic, and also your Seakeeper module. What a great day boat this could be. Large bow, seating for 3, your tables set down, your backrest are up so your guests get entertained. You could also bring this up and make it so your guests can sit around it and eat. So we've made our way down below, and we'll start at the galley area, where you have a TV right above, refrigerator, sink, garbage access, and storage behind. Now we're at the head on the 420, and you will see large door, large entryway, completely enclosed to shower, shave, clean yourself up, sink, toilet, great access, plenty of storage for those long weekends. The 420 has a very simplistic switch panel, easy to use. Starting on the left with your battery switches, your Fisher Panda diesel generator switching, your Fusion head unit, and all of your breakers and switches off to the starboard to take you from shore power to generator. Lastly, down below is this large V-berth for entertaining all of your guests or making this a bed for those long weekends or just overnight trips. As we conclude this video aboard the 2020 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage, we would like to thank you for watching, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.